Hello, this video training is ID is OP400. This video training will cover on the topic of the purchase transaction. I'll start off by logging in. Now, to access your purchase transaction, go to your creditor, followed by your purchase. And similarly, you'll find that the same style of presentation is used in the debtor sales screen. And what you have to do is just click on to the create new transaction. Okay, and this is the input screen. You can create transactions from here. And if you want to retrieve, let me go through with the input screen first. Now you will notice that there are differences between the sales screens and purchase screen. For example, you have a flag, which is the simple text invoice and capital goods. Now there's another one that is very important. This is applicable when you need to use it during the GST implementation. Now there is a drop-down list included over here. Different selections over here would have different accounting entry. All right, so you have to be careful of what accounting entry you want to use. All right, so and if you want to understand exactly what they are, click on to post as. There's a hyperlink over here. It will bring you to an online manual. The online manual will guide you, will tell you exactly what the accounting entries will be, and they give you the conceptual idea exactly how to use this post as. All right, so take a look at it. And then and read it and have an understanding, and then in future you know what to do with it. Now, the next thing I want to do is to show you an example, a data entry example. Assuming I want to purchase a product, okay, and my transaction date is 4th, okay, 1/2016. My financial year is 2016, and I want to add an item, purchase a car, right? 1 unit, 50,000, okay, and there's no tax element involved in here, okay. I may have import declaration number 123, okay, and then it's a capital good. Now by selecting here, there is no impact from the accounting entry, but rather actually impose certain controls and for reporting purpose. Okay, so that's it. All right, click on to save. Okay. Okay, you need to give a supplier invoice number. So this is a requirement by the GST. And click on this. That's it. All right. You have created a purchase transaction. Now you want to see the purchase transaction, go back to here. And you do a sorting, a descending order. And you'll find that a 50,000 transaction created over here. Click on to this, and you see this detail, see the detail of the transaction. Now, sometimes you may have created a transaction and you want to save that as a template. What you can do is that click on Add Template, all right? Car template. Give an ID to that, and then you might want to, and the following day, you might want to start a new form again. Click on to the purchase and go to the create purchase form and list a template. You've got a car template, you've got a test purchase. This was created earlier. Now select car template, open it, and you can see that whatever entries you have captured earlier, it will be reused back. So you will minimize your data entry in this case. This is going to be helpful when you need in the future. Now, Then what you have to do is that click save. It will create another transaction. Okay, so yeah, that's the cheese of the purchase transaction. Similarly, you'll find that all the other what do you call debit note and credit note will work very similar to this also. Okay, so that the learning curve is reduced. Okay, so assuming that you have created a new purchase, okay, and let's say, okay, SA, okay, 200, right? Well, don't really need this at all. Let's say you save it. Yeah. Okay. Once you save it, and if you try to save it next time, it will actually overwrite this invoice number. Okay. Now, if you want to start fresh all over again, click onto the new form. Okay. And what happens that when you click on the new form, it clears whatever entries that you have created earlier. Okay. And you can start all over again. Yeah. So this is how you want to continue to use the screen. Okay. All right. That's the end of the purchase transaction video. I will not touch onto the debit note and credit note because they are very similar to this. All right. Okay. Bye.